I want to get before your mind the notion, this is kind of a $1.98 word, but I want to get before your mind the notion of empirically equivalent theories. Two theories are empirically equivalent, just in case they're consistent with the same observations. So if two theories are empirically equivalent, there can be no observation in principle that counts in favor of one of those theories versus the other. Now, the claim that I am my brain and the claim that I am a soul that uses my brain are empirically equivalent claims. There is no scientific test, there is no empirical observation that can be used to decide which of those are true. So, strict physicalism and what we'll call dualism are empirically equivalent theories. It follows that this debate cannot be settled by scientific argumentation. The debate is fundamentally a philosophical and indeed even a theological question. It is not within the purview of the hard sciences or indeed any science to address this question.